Today we are going to see what gene is. A gene is the basic functional unit of heredity. This term was coined by a Dutch botanist by name Wilhelm Johansen, and we know the gene is made up of DNA. DNA is the component. DNA along with certain proteins form the gene. And gene contains all the information or the instructions required for the synthesis of proteins. And proteins are the building blocks of all the organs. If you see the number of genes, it is very less in case of prokaryotic cells like bacteria. In case of diploid organisms like human beings, we all will have 2 copies of a gene which we call them as alleles. Majority of the genes are going to be identical among all the human beings. Less than 1% of the genes will be varying. See that less than 1% itself is giving so much of variation among human beings. If we see the structure of the gene will have one promoter, one coding sequence, and also a terminator sequence. In case of prokaryotic cells, all the functionally related genes are clustered into a structure called as operons, whereas in case of eukaryotics, it has separate genes for separate proteins. The promoter sequence present in the gene is the one which is identified by the RNA polymerase and starts the process of transcription, that is production of mRNA or rRNA or tRNA, whatever it may be. And coding sequence is the region which actually contains the sequence required for protein synthesis, and terminator sequence is the one which indicates the system to stop the process of transcription. We will see all these components in detail in later videos.